Hey guys, how's it going? If you want to know how to protect your privacy on TikTok, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead to and open up TikTok, right? And now what you're gonna do, we're gonna adjust the privacy settings. So I'm gonna go ahead and click the profile at the bottom right, and then click the three bars at the top right, and then go ahead and click the settings and privacy, right? We're gonna go ahead to privacy, and we're gonna make our account private. And when we turn off, when we disable the public account, only approved followers can view your content, manage, share, or even react to your posts. Now, what you're gonna do, avoid sharing sensitive data like your location, age, or contact info in your bio or videos. Right? If you post a lot of videos on TikTok, please make sure that doesn't include your data. And be cautious about posting real-time updates from your home or work space. Now, what you're gonna do, we're gonna review the app permissions. Disable unnecessary permissions like access to microphone or location. The way to find it, you can just go ahead to the settings, scroll a little bit down, and then click apps. Okay, and then now what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and type TikTok, click TikTok, and then what we're gonna do, we're gonna just turn off the microphone and camera for that matter, okay, or location. We're gonna just turn off the location right here and hit never, okay, and use strong password. On to the next step, we need to use a strong password. If you have a unique password that you can think of, you could just go ahead and click the profile at the bottom right, click the the three bars at the top right, settings and privacy, and then go ahead to your privacy, right? Not your privacy to be exact. You can just go back right here and click account, right? And then you're gonna go ahead to the passwords and make sure that you enter the 6-digit code sent by TikTok, right? So I'm gonna enter the code 491 523, right? And then what we're gonna do, we're gonna create our own password, or basically switch from the old password to the new password, okay? You can click the three bars at the top right and click settings and privacy. Also, you're gonna see the security and permissions. Make sure that you enable the two-step verification or two-factor authentication. You have two methods. You can turn on the two-factor authentication using your mobile digits or your email, right, or authenticator app if you want to. So by doing that, you're adding another layer of protection. Next, what you're gonna do, we need to stay updated, right? Keep the app updated to the latest version to ensure you have the latest security patches. And the way to find it, you can just go out and click your avatar icon in the App Store or Google Play, refresh to see the latest updates right here, right? And basically, if you witnessed any new updates, you could just go ahead and hit update all, so you can add another layer of protection, right? And lastly, watch out for scams. Avoid clicking suspicious links or sharing details with unknown users. Your online safety is in your hands. Stay vigilant. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.